In the relentless grip of the ocean, a once mighty helicopter plummeted from the skies. Submerged for years, twisted by waves and pressure, it rested like a forgotten guardian of the air. But every tale of downfall carries the seed of ascension. Deep in the abyss, the helicopter merged with the marine realm. Sea creatures made it their sanctuary, encrusting rotors and fuselage. Yet, beneath the decay, the essence of flight lingered. A team of ocean explorers uncovered this aerial relic. Their submersible lights cut through the murk, unveiling the helicopter's weathered form. A spark of wonder ignited. This was a chance to conquer the depths. On the surface, aviation experts assembled to orchestrate the salvage. Schematics analyzed, gear ready. This mission was about more than recovery. It was reclaiming the freedom of the skies. Heavy-lift ships and divers descended, hooks secured, the helicopter ascended from the deep. Water poured from its frame like a phoenix shedding ashes, heralding renewal. Ashore, the wreck was scrutinized. Salt-encrusted panels and bent skids spoke of trials endured. But the robust airframe whispered of possibilities ahead. Show close-up inspection of a rescued algae-covered Bell 206 Jet Ranger helicopter in metallic blue with white accents in a sunny hangar, technicians examining rotors and fuselage, detailed corrosion and dents consistent with rescue, analytical mood with golden hour lighting, 4-5, second clip with rotating angles. Restoration commenced with deep cleansing. Jets of water removed oceanic scars, components disassembled with care. It was a symphony of revival, note by meticulous note. Fabricators mended the chassis and rotors, warped metal realigned, fractures welded. Step by step, the helicopter's form reclaimed its aerial grace. The turbine engine, choked by salt, was reborn. Blades tuned, avionics rewired. Skilled hands breathed life into what the sea had silenced. Fresh paint restored its luster. Metallic blue gleamed anew, accents sharpened. From submerged ruin to sky-ready splendor, the transformation was complete. Reassembled, the ignition sparked, rotors whirred to life on the ground. From ocean tomb to imminent flight, the helicopter defied gravity's pull, soaring through azure skies. It's a beacon of perseverance. The ocean's claim undone by human resolve. This is revival's flight, evidence that from the deepest fall, one can rise to the heavens.